Hello friends, welcome back to infyGyan. Today in this video we have another very interesting and challenging question from algebra. Here we have to find sum of 80 terms x plus 1 over x plus x square plus 1 over x square up to x power 80 plus 1 over x power 80. So let's get started by considering required sum equal to s, and we will call x plus 1 over x s1, x square plus 1 over x square s2, x cube plus 1 over x cube s3 up to x power 80 plus 1 over x power 80 s80. This is our required sum which we are targeting. And we have equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. So let's write our equation here: x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. Now x cannot be equal to 0. Once we will plug in x equal to 0, LHS will be 1, RHS is 0, which is not true. So we can divide both sides by x. So LHS will give us x plus 1 over x. And in RHS we can write 0. So from here we have one important equation, x plus 1 over x, which is our sum S1 equal to -1. Now we will rewrite our equation x square plus x plus 1 equal to 0. If I will put x equal to 1 here, then LHS will be 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. RHS is 0, which is not true. So for our equation, x cannot be 1. So I can multiply both sides by x minus 1. So x minus 1 times x square plus x plus 1 will be equal to 0 times x minus 1, 0. Now this is one algebraic identity, x cube minus 1 cube. A cube minus b cube is a minus b times a square plus ab plus b square equal to 0. So from here we will be getting x cube equal to 1. After squaring both sides, I can also write x power 6 equal to 1. So we have two results: x plus 1 over x minus 1, x cube 1. Now we have to find S2, S3 up to S80. Let me write S1 equal to x plus 1 over x equal to -1. Let's find S2. S2 is x square plus 1 over x square. Using algebraic formula, we can write this will be equal to x plus 1 over x whole square minus 2. Now x plus 1 over x is minus 1. So we can write here minus 1 whole square minus 2. Minus 1 whole square is plus 1 minus 2. So S2 is coming out minus 1. S2 is minus 1. S1 is minus 1. Now we have to find S3. S3 is x cube plus 1 over x cube. We can use algebraic formula, but we have direct result x cube equal to 1. So we can put 1 here. We can write 1 over 1 here. Value will be equal to 2. So S3 is 2. S1 1, S2 minus 1, S3 2. Now we will calculate S4. S4 will be equal to x power 4 plus 1 over x power 4. We'll use algebraic formula and write x square plus 1 over x square whole square minus 2. Now this is S2 whole square, so we can write minus 1 whole square minus 2 will be equal to 1 minus 2. I am writing minus 1. Now you can see S4 is same as S1. Now we will find S5. S5 will be x power 5 plus 1 over x power 5, which will be equal to S2 times S3 minus S1. Means x square plus 1 over x square times x cube plus 1 over x cube minus x plus 1 over x. Let's plug in all the values. S2 is negative 1, S3 is 2, and S1 is also negative 1. So we are going to get minus 2 plus 1. Now you can see here minus 1. It is same as S2. S4 is S1, S5 is S2. Now we have to only check one last value, that is S6. Let me write here itself. S6 will be equal to x power 6 plus 1 over x power 6. X power 6 is 1. So we will write here 1 plus 1 over 1, which is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. So yes, our S3 is same as S6. Now we can conclude. Here we have cycle of 3. So I can write S1 equal to S4 equal to negative 1. S2 equal to S5 equal to negative 1. S3 equal to S6 equal to 2, and so on. Now we have to find sum S, which we will write S1 plus S2 plus S3 plus S4 plus S5 plus S6. And in the same way, if we will keep writing, then we can write S76 plus S77 plus S78 plus S79 plus S80. Now we have cycle of 3. So let us find sum of one cycle, S1 plus S2 plus S3, or S4 plus S5 plus S6, or S76 plus S77 plus S78. So we can write S1 plus S2 plus S3, sum of one cycle, will be equal to minus 1 plus 2. So value is equal to 0. So here we are going to put 0, 0, 0. So sum S will be only the summation of S79 and S80. Now S79 will be same as S1 and S80 will be same as S2. So we can write here S will be equal to, we will write here S equal to S79 plus S80, which will be equal to S1 plus S2. So S1 is negative 1, x plus 1 over x, and S2 is x square plus 1 over x square, which is also negative 1. So we can get minus 2. So our answer becomes negative 2. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye.